still
Let him in,
way
Chris.
out on the street, but
Chris, you could let him in.
straight down from the front stairs.
Oh, I put one in. He's at about half health. He's literally down in the middle of the road.
Whoa. Easy there, bud.
He's trying to snipe.
Oh shit, Sir Kirby, get out.
Oh god!
Op 4 eliminated.
Whoa!
Successful.
No! 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 Everybody, turn away! Turn away! Turn away! Headshot.
Dropped like a bag of shit.
Kills him,
Just see his
kills
body
him with suppressing fire.
with a handgun.
Oh,
Drops
Jesus
suppressing
Christ.
fire with his handgun and drops the dude from 30 meters.
Leave the game. Leave the game. I'm reporting myself.